Hey, what's going on, everybody? This is Chase here at Rocky Mountain ATVMC. Thank you for checking in. So today, real quick, we want to talk to you about the Tusk plug-and-play signal horn kit for the Polaris RZR Pro R, Pro XP, and the Turbo R models. Now, you might be thinking, what's so special about a signal and horn kit? Well, what's cool about this kit, and I'll get into that here, is that there's actually two different options for you to choose from depending on the machine that you have right now and what you want to go with. Now, what's nice about this kit is that it's a plug-and-play kit, so there's no splicing that has to be done. You just literally plug in all the wiring that will come included. We have a great how-to video, shows you step-by-step how to get this installed, but the wires go straight to your rear taillights. All the wiring on here is automotive grade. It comes with an included rocker switch that has an LED on it so you can see the arrow flashing when you do have a turn signal on. Your horn will come included that mounts right up to the front. But the cool thing about this kit is that for these models that I just specified, there's actually two different options to choose from. So when you buy this, you can choose from either the bubble lights, kind of your standard turn signals that you install right here in the front, or the front accent light that you can see that we have here on this Pro XP. Now, for some models, it will come with this accent light already. The difference being is that if you go with the kit that we offer that comes with that accent light, the accent light that we offer has the ability to also be your turn signal. So if you want your turn signal to be integrated into that accent light, you go with that kit, or if you just want the standard turn signal right here in the front with the bubble light, you can take that route as well. For this Pro XP model, it didn't even have the accent light in the front, it just had a black piece of plastic. So we removed that, put in the Tusk accent light, and now we have the accent light with the integrated turn signals, the horn, and the turn signals in the back. So you've got a few different options there, again, depending on what model you have, what style, what look you're going for. There's gonna be an option for you. And like I said, we have a fully detailed how-to video, step-by-step, how to get this installed. So if you have a Turbo R, a Pro XP, or a Pro R, and you're looking to add a turn signal and horn kit, we've got you covered. If you have questions, comments, so we want to get those answers, so make sure leave those down below. To grab yours, click on the link or head over to RockyMountainATVMC.com. They are machine specific, so enter the year, make, and model when you're picking yours up, and that will ensure that you get the proper fitment. We ship for free over 75 bucks. If you want to stay up to date on products like this for your side-by-side, get subscribed to our YouTube channel, hit the notification bell, you'll be good to go. I'm Chase. I'm going to see you on the trails.